disruptors and beat conductors. I rock on a cardboard roof, locked in a mic booth. Shocked to hear the truth, open up a mic, watching rock and spit to the youth. It's the spit to a drum general, take a literal, throw on a track and let the wild child come out and talk to him. He's known to spread the light, but at the same time the whole crowd consumes him. Migrate from the ox to the next level in settlements. Drink the chrome beat beverage to gain leverage. 6'2", this one do to play lyrical mix or flicks on you. Let the music sock in your jaw like your fist would do. After a 1-2, you speak a smash. Some speak through the hash, some speak through the ass. I speak about the past, how it affects the forthcoming. My ears got infrared sensors toward the drum when it kicks to the max. I spits to the wax. I get full rotation on the airwaves and the mental. I drop so every age can get in tune. I love that funk soul music like them kids love woo.
Alone in the dark with nothing but your thoughts, time can draw out like a blade.
Wild child.
I swear the stuff you pulled, and oh my lord, how the money rolled in.
We bring it back like lay up, dunk, the basics. Gelling like A6, the funk. That junk be smelling like ape shit. The oomph, compelling this makeshift. Mechanic am I, fly in my homemade spaceship. Control aim, black dagger, I aced it. Placed it straight where the swagger get wasted. So we don't get all familiar like Haces or hey bro, yo, keep the no-name basis. It's something like wind when it go through pages. I go through stages. Sure bet you show with the sharp fin hat, kinda like Cool Jesus. Oh Jesus, amazing graces, all up in your ear cases. Rare cases, fell faint and sleep so deep it's near stasis. Beware, I come back to take this back to the lake up dump, the basics.
What the hell you do to set him off anyway?
God, I love it.
Spit the villain, feeling rowdy, revealing traces, stealing, peeling, flesh depressed religion, we sealing anchor lines. We signed the activist design. You find attraction, mind the crack your spine, the march of the dimes. Found the fawn at dawn, approaching release, and police in uniforms swarm without rhyme or reason. We need a season, cross the line, commencing the beating. Mounts are bleeding, helicopters drop, the program is weakening. Da Vinci codes unfold the truth in that passage. Wrath of mavericks, mathematics, mastering moments that's massive. Mask conceal the beast, the Antichrist, the movie this week. The sheets soaked through with blood, mud pollution, pain by the feed. The Basquiat of rap from ruling the caveman. The same plan that runs through sagging like straight hands. We play fancy music, ruthless drumming, removing chances for the dance and kill the noise. The missiles are cruising.
Get busy living, or get busy dying. That's goddamn right. And so it began.